surrender.
Scared to surrender.
Afraid to surrender. Because they feel that something is going away from them. There is something is gone, so they're scared. So how should they correct this? How should they feel comfortable surrender?
No, actually, one cannot surrender without faith. So then we have to mobilize Shraddha, faith. If one wants to surrender after being intellectually fully secure, if I surrender, I'll get this, I'll get this, I'll get this, if so much is there, then that stage will never come. Because you will always feel insecure. Spiritually and materially, you will feel insecure. But if, first of all, object of Shraddha should be chosen. By surrendering to Prabhupada's institution like that, it's obviously an unquestionable object of surrender. Prabhupada, and Prabhupada institution means Prabhupada's system of, governance. All those things, if we have Shraddha in that, we have to develop Shraddha in that. Not that, I don't feel so secure because my authorities, I don't see they are perfect. I feel insecure. Why should I surrender? No, you are surrendering to the system when it comes to it. And when it comes to Prabhupada, you are surrendering to Prabhupada. And you're surrendering to devotees, instruction and all, you are surrendering to the system of Prabhupada. You should think that when you're doing that, you're not surrendering to individuals, but you're surrendering to Prabhupada only. Even when Prabhupada was on this planet, Prabhupada did not give instruction to every devotee. He made a system, temple president, etc. Following that system, devotees made advancement. So Bhakti Yoga is a mystical process. So everything cannot be concretely assessed. So therefore, intellectually, if you try to concretely assess, whether I should surrender or not, then you will feel insecure. In fact, we did not do that calculation when we joined the movement. When we joined the movement, with great Shraddha we joined, no calculation. We made no calculation. See the fruit of that. So much advancement we made by that. That is the way. In order to give that Shraddha, only Krishna says, Ma suchaha, do not worry. Because intellectually you will worry. Sarva dharman parityajya maam ekam sharanam vaja aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshashyami ma suchaha. In the end he says. Because all this if you see, then how can I be freedom from anxiety? Just by surrendering to Krishna. I said, Ma suchaha, do not worry. And it is a fact. Shraddha and reciprocation of that Shraddha makes the devotee advance in Krishna consciousness. In devotee's life, unless Shraddha is there, life is miserable. You cannot stay in the midst of Vaishnavas. Because you will think, I can better off, I'll be outside and I will earn, and that's another way in which they secure themselves. But here we secure ourselves by Shraddha. And when if you have Shraddha, ye tamam prapadhyanse tam sate bhajamiham. If you have Shraddha that Krishna will protect, then 100% he will protect if you have Shraddha.
Hare Krishna. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.